my hand a 1.5 to 10 square cable join kit, and it's available with low cost small parcel delivery directly from freetv.ie. So this is the basic kit here. So everything you need is on it. The basic idea of this kit is if you want to join two electrical cables outside, underground, and you want to do it in a manner that ensures that you won't have penetration of water at a later point, this kit is directly for it. So there's a reasonably good instruction manual here that gives an overview of exactly how you're going to do it, okay? So what we're going to do is we have the mold here that we use. So the idea is the liquid will actually pour directly in here, and there's a little cap that will go on it subsequently, and the cable will enter here and exit here, or vice versa, whatever way to look at it. We have a little cable then, that's just the seal and wrap around, and then we have this for actually cleaning prior to doing it. When we actually receive it, we'll receive it like this in a sealed bag. What I've actually done at this point is I've just opened it up, and you can see inside you actually have two liquids here. So the idea of that is both to seal it and also to come along and keep the two liquids separate. So it's a type of resin that's going to be used for doing the sealing. So once we pull this apart, the two liquids can mix freely together, and then you can pour it directly in once you have the cables pre-joined, etc. And then the seal will be there, and it quite quickly then hardens all the rest of it. So it's a nice kit. We have probably about 5 within the range. It's very commonly used in the industry simply because it's an essential element to be able to join safely cables like this, and this allows you to do it. So that's the 1.5 to 10 square cable join kits available directly from freetv.ie.